Hello friends, welcome to Wide Rhyme. Now today we'll discuss another 50 MCQs of Indian history. Starting with the first question, the Kuwait ul Islam Mosque was built by. So the answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Now the second question, go back to Vedas. This call given by. Answer is Dayanand Saraswati. किसने कहा था गो बैक टू वेदास? ये किसने कहा है? दयानंद सरस्वती जी ने. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हु वाज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक अर्थशास्त्र? सो द आंसर इज कौटिल्य. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, हु ट्रांसलेटेड रामायणा इनटू पर्शियन? सो द आंसर इज बदायूनी. Now fifth question, Arthashastra by Kautilya is related with. So friends, it is related to political reign. Now sixth question, Noakhali is situated in. So the answer is Bangladesh. Now the seventh question, name the language that was used as the camp language during the Mughal rule. So the answer is Urdu. Now eighth question, what is the correct sequence of the following movement? So starting with Chori Chora incident, then after Kakuri incident, then after civil disobedience, then after at the last Quit India movement. Here we have given years. In 1930 civil disobedience, in 1922 Chori Chora incident, in 1925 Kakuri incident, in 1942 Quit India movement. Now the ninth question, Bindusara sent Asoka to control the rebellion in. So the answer is Takshila. Now the 10th question, which of the following was constructed by Akbar in memory of the Gujarat victory? So the answer is Buland Darwaja. Now 11th question, Akbar held his religious discussion in. So the answer is Ibadat Khana. And this Ibadat Khana was built in 1575 AD at Fatehpur Sikri. Now 12th question, where did Lord Buddha breathe his last? So the answer is Kushinagar. Now 13th question, which of the following Delhi Sultan has been described by historians as a mixture of opposites? So the answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Now 14th question, Alexander and Porus fought a battle at. So the answer is Hydaspes. Now 15th question, name the Nagar style temple which was constructed during the reign of Chandelas. So the answer is Kandaria Mahadev temple. It means the great god of the cave. Now the next question is, the Arya Samaj was founded by. So the answer is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. The Samaj was founded by Sannyasi. So on 10 April 1875 in Bombay. Now the 17th question, which of the following was the first English ship came to India? So the answer is Red Dragon. Or we can say Hector. It is also called Hector. Now 18th question, who was the last Viceroy of British India? So the answer is Lord Mountbatten. After independence, he also became the first Governor General of India. 19th question, which language was followed by Satavahana rulers? So the answer is Sanskrit. Now 20th question, Humayun had to run away from India after he was defeated in the Battle of. So the answer is Kannauj. In 1540. Now 21st question, what was the court language of the Delhi Sultanate? So the answer is Persian. Now 22nd question, who was the author of Geet Govind? Answer is Jaydev. Now 23rd question, high courts were established in Calcutta, Bombay and Madras in. So the answer is 1862. Now 24th question, who constructed Grand Trunk Road? So the answer is Sher Shah Suri. Now 25th question, who among the following has pronounced Bharatnatyam dance form in book Natya Sastra? So the answer is Bharat Muni. Bharat Muni. Now 26th question, who founded the Ramakrishna Mission in 1896 to carry on humanitarian relief and social work? So the answer is Swami Vivekanand in 1897. 27th question, what was the basis of transfer of power to India on 15th August? Answer is anniversary of the surrender of Japanese army before Admiral Mountbatten. Which of the following is not located in Fatehpur Sikri? So the answer is Moti Masjid. 29th question, the Battle of Haldi Ghati was fought between. So the answer is Akbar and Rana Pratap Singh in 1576. Now 30th question, where did the traveler Ibn Battuta come from? So the answer is Morocco. Now 31st question, who was the leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha? So the answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now 32nd question, which of the following is not associated with Gadar of 1857? So the answer is Chandrasekhar Azad. Now 33 question, Sultan of Delhi who imposed jizya, or we can say jizya, tax on Brahmins. The answer is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Now 34th question, Mangal Pandey had fired the first shot of the 1857 revolt in. The answer is Barakpur. I think in previous video we have given this question also, so it is most important question. So in the year 1857. Now which of the following dynasties succeeded the Mauryas? So the answer is Sungas. Now 36th question, in which session of Congress the demand of Purna Swaraj was accepted as the aim of the Congress? So the answer is Lahore. Now 37th question, who among the following was not a part of the Mauryan dynasty? So the answer is Ajatasattu. Now 38th question, permanent revenue settlement of Bengal was introduced by, so the answer is Cornwallis in 1793. 39th question, British ruler Charles II was given Bombay as dowry to marry the princess. So the answer is Portugal. Now 40th question. Who wrote the British Indigo Planters describing the atrocities of the famous drama Neel Darpan? So the answer is Deenbandhu Mitra. Now 41st question. Has matka as an important element in which the dancer dances on a bronze plate? So the answer is Kalbelia. The Mir Bakshi of the Mughal emperors was the head of, answer is army organization. Mir Bakshi was also in charge of intelligence gathering and also made recommendations to the emperor for military appointments and promotions. Now 43rd question. Who was that famous Jain scholar whom Akbar often respected? So the answer is Har Vijay. Now 44th question. Which style of painting is done on the cloth using vegetable colors? So the answer is Fad painting. Now 45th question. Which among the following features of Nagara style of temple means womb of chamber? So the answer is Garbha Griha. Now 46th question. Mahatma Gandhi was first arrested during Satyagraha in the year. So the answer is 1908. 47th question. Bahadur Shah was. So the answer is last Mughal emperor. Now 48th question. When Mahatma Gandhi was arrested, who among the following took over the leadership of Salt Satyagraha? So the answer is Abbas Tayyibji. Now 49th question. Identify the wrong pair. जी हाँ गलत बताना है. So the answer is Rath Temple, Madurai. Fiftieth question. Who wrote Akbarnama? So the answer is Abul Fazl. So friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Then don't forget to subscribe. So please share with your friends. So that's all for today. Have a good day.